Hey, it's week 3 and we're talking about defenses. When the line's running, machines are humming, and production goals are being met, everything feels unstoppable. But behind every smooth operation, there's a silent defense team at work. Not people this time, systems. Watching, protecting, preparing. Every machine on your floor has sensors to catch problems early. Your cybersecurity should too. That's what logging and monitoring do. They're your factory's digital watchtower. They track who logs into your control systems, what data gets accessed, and when something looks off. Like when someone tries to reach your SCADA network from an unusual location, that's a red flag you can't afford to miss. That's not paranoia, it's prevention. Catching trouble early means you stop an attack before production ever slows down. When disaster hits, ransomware, hardware failure, or a corrupted PLC, there's one hero that saves the day: backups. They might not get the spotlight, but they're the reason you can get back online fast. Regular tested backups are your reset button, protecting you from downtime and lost batches. And here's the key for manufacturers: it's not just about backing up office files or emails. You've got to include your OT, your SCADA systems, your PLC logic, machine configurations, and production recipes. Because when those are gone, your lines stop, and so does your business. Backups aren't just copies, they're confidence. And when paired with a disaster recovery plan, they become your roadmap to resilience. Knowing exactly how and how fast you can restore production keeps you in control, even when the unexpected happens. Backups and disaster recovery help you recover when things go wrong. But what about keeping your data safe from being stolen in the first place? That's where encryption comes in. It scrambles data so even if someone steals it, all they get is useless code. It's the lock on the vault, and only you hold the key. From CAD drawings to supplier communications and employee records, encryption keeps your most valuable information secure across your network and beyond. Defenses don't always make noise. Most of the time, you won't even notice them, and that's the point. Because while your team focuses on building, producing, and delivering, your digital defenses are doing the same, protecting the systems that keep your plant moving. So keep your eyes open, your backups ready, and your data locked down. That's how you build a resilient factory. And remember, reach out to us at 2W Tech. We're always here to help.